My hair right now is breaking apart. Okay guys, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my review plus demo of the new Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Foundation Concealer, maybe other way around. So I've been using this one for 2 days. I'll be doing a demo and then I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts about this one. So before I'm going to do my review plus demo of the new product from Marc Jacobs, if you like to watch makeup reviews, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go get started. So let's read the description about this. A 2-in-1 caffeine infused concealer foundation with natural looking full coverage and all day wear to visibly brighten, re-energize all skin types. Is full coverage, natural, that's true. It has a caffeine, visibly re-energizes and revives skin. Oat extract calms and soothes skin. 5 forms of coconut. If you're allergic to coconut, be careful with this. I am allergic to coconut. I did not know this. Hydrate and nourish skin with abundance of vitamins and nutrients. So it's free of all like parabens. And what else? Fake the extra sweet with flawless skin. A flawless finish. This hydrating, crease resistant. I noticed that this one doesn't crease on me. So let me know guys. And if you have tried this, so continue reading this. Formula blends seamlessly to quickly conceal dark circles, blemishes, and redness with an oversized applicator for quick all-over coverage. It works dual time as a buildable foundation for a visible, smoother, more even tone complexion. So this one $39. It has 30 shades. That's not bad at all. So this one only has 30 ml, like typical like amount for the foundation. And then let's go read. To conceal, apply it under your eyes and was okay. So one thing I noticed about this one, because I've been using this one for 2 days, I have been applying this one on my forehead and also my other eyes. Down here I don't, because I break out, and especially I wear masks. I call it mask acne. So every time, that's why I do not apply anything down here, because I wear mask. So I have been using this one. I have been applying this on my forehead under my eyes. I noticed that it doesn't crease under my eyes. And also bad thing about this one for my under eyes, it doesn't really cover. I don't notice, I mean, I feel like it's not actually full coverage for my under eyes, and I love full coverage concealers under my eyes, because you can see guys, I have a lot of dark circles and veins. For my face, I like light to medium coverage. For my face, I really like this one as my foundation because it's full coverage but still looks really nice. It doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't look cakey. I'm really impressed with this. So one thing though, it only has 30 ml, but who wears makeup all the time right now? I mean, we're in the middle of this thing going on right now. So I mean, especially me, I don't wear makeup all the time. I don't go out all the time. So I think this one was gonna last a long time on me. So let's read the ingredients in here, because it says has 5 coconut, and I do not like coconut. I did not read the ingredients. So let's read the ingredients. So it does yeah, it does have hydrogenated coconut acid. Oh, I did not know this. Hydrogenated coconut oil. Oh my god. Okay, I hope that this would not break me out, because anything, it doesn't matter if it's coconut oil, coconut water, I break out with coconut, and I did not know this one. Okay, so let's hope that this one would not break me out. So I'm gonna do a demo right now. So what I have been doing, whatever's left on my sponge, I like to use sponge. It's just like what I like to use. Whatever's left, I just apply it on my forehead, because this is the area where I break out a lot, so I do not like to apply for anything in here. This is the one, and I'm going to show you the swatch of this. So this one is the shade 200, which is a light to medium with neutral peach undertone. You can see guys, it's just a tiny bit light, just a tiny bit light on me. So let me get a mirror and I'm trying not to move because my chair right now is breaking apart. So I'm gonna use this one as my foundation, as also as my concealer. So I'm just gonna apply this underneath my eyes. Okay. Okay, so also they came out with, so this is a wet sponge. So and also they came out with face trio of two different shades. I think that one I did not get because I didn't get the medium one because I heard it's infused with coconut, and you know, like I mentioned guys, I do not like coconut on my face, so let's hope that this one's not gonna break me out. And I forgot to use my primer, my touch-up primer, so that's okay. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like on me without a primer on. So you can see my face looks really dewy, like dewy. Okay, whatever's left, I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead. Ooh, looks really nice. Yeah, this is the this is how my face looks like right now with one application with no primer. Um, myself, you know, you can see guys my dark circles are near my veins, my forehead, and you can see guys my acne scars around here. So I like this one as my foundation, not so much of my concealer. So let me apply another layer because you know, to be honest, this is like enough for me. I don't like to wear full coverage. I don't like cakey look, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna apply another layer of this one. Face looks really dewy. My under eyes, I can still see my dark circles. I can still see my veins. So it's one thing I do not like about this one. It's not full coverage enough for my dark circles. I just wish it did not have coconut because I am allergic to coconut. I break out with coconut. If you are, you know, allergic to coconut, you break out right away with coconut. I do not recommend this one because it has a lot of coconut in here. I wish I, you know, just read the ingredients. Yeah, very, my face looks really dewy right now, looks very white, so I'm gonna have to bronze up my face. So there you go guys, I'm just gonna put on false lashes, apply this cheek product from Natasha Denona, and then I'll be right back. All right, my lashes I'm wearing are the Lunar Beauty lashes, the faux mink lashes in the style Stella, the least dramatic from the collection. I did like a try on style. I'm going to link it down on my description below if you want to watch my video. Now I'm moving on with my final thoughts about this one. This has a lot of coconut, hydrogenated coconut oil, some other one, I mean I think five types of coconut, and I am allergic to coconut. I have acne prone skin, have sensitive skin, so if you have coconut, if you're allergic to coconut, if you have acne prone skin, if you have sensitive skin, I have to be, you know, careful with this. Maybe just as like, oh, like a sample size if you're like Sephora nearby, like if your Sephora store is open, maybe try out and ask for a sample because oh, this one's a lot of coconut. I did not notice. Just wish that I read the ingredients first before, you know, about the product. But so far it looks really nice on the face. I did not have to use a primer. I like to use my touch one because it's a smoothing and hydrating primer. With this I didn't have to. Very hydrating, and see guys, it's full coverage, but I personally do not like this one as my concealer because it doesn't look like it's full coverage. I still, you know, see my dark circles, so that's why I had to use another concealer, which is the Pat McGrath one, because that one's full coverage. But this one I like as my foundation. First time I applied this one, very dewy, and then it settled to like a soft like satin, I should say satin finish. And also I use like a very light powder from Hourglass, the ambient lining. It's a very controversial brand. Okay, so yeah, that one, because I like the light coverage. I don't like to use full like powderless powder products because they are very drying for my skin. So if you have dry skin, you might like this one. If you have sensitive acne prone skin, maybe just be careful because of the coconut in here. If you have an allergic to coconut, so if you have oily skin, this one can be, you know, a little too dewy for you. So overall, I really like this. I'm definitely going to update you guys if this one's gonna break me out because it has coconut in here and I'm allergic to coconut. So I like this one as my foundation. Very natural, all this full coverage, very natural, very lifeless, very lightweight, looks very natural. For my under eyes, it doesn't look like it's a full coverage for my under eyes. I still like my Pat McGrath and my Caffeine concealer. So overall, guys, it's actually really good as my foundation, at least for my skin. So let me know if you purchase anything from my makeups, especially this extra shot caffeine foundation slash concealer, because this is very interesting. 30 shades, not bad at all. 30 ml. Nobody really like wear makeup all the time, and at least me, I don't wear makeup all the time. I don't go out all the time. The only time I wear full makeup is like when I film my videos in here. So that's about it. So I think it's gonna last me a while. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this yeah, I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.